Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord N100. And in this case, you can see the plastic seal still there. So we're going to flip it around. It's an Android phone, so I've done a little pre-cut to make it a little easier. So we basically see here is the OnePlus Nord 100, and we can remove all the plastic, leave it to a side. And it's a case inside a case, so we're going to pull one case out of the other. And there's nothing under the other cover. So we have here OnePlus logo and everything. We can now see if we can open this. It has a little booklet on the side. You can open it. It has information, safety information, and other little things in here. As you can see, quick start guide. It has the SIM card extractor here, which we might need later. And then here would be the phone. It has a little arrow, so lets you pull it out of the box. Let's leave it on the side. We have a cutout of the phone, and here we have the cable for the charger, which in this case is a, oh man, that's super tight. It's a USB-A to USB-C, which is really nice, and the famous red OnePlus cable. And then we have our charging brick, which basically is a USB-A, and we have here power unit from OnePlus in the European standard because they're where we are. So yeah, that's basically unboxing. Oh, now we have the phone. So to the phone, we have to peel it. That's all we have. And now there's no other cover to the phone. You can see there's a sticker on the back, and that's the OnePlus Nord N100. Let's see if it has any power. Yep, looks like it has some power. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord N100. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about this phone or any other thing that we can cover here, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.